my pharmacy life, I used to work from 6 o'clock in the morning until midnight.
I had my own business. I was working out 80 or 90 hours a week and I was completely exhausted.
And I was working about 60, 70 hours a week in my own little business. And I also had 2 part-time jobs as well.
Really, we were in a situation where we were looking for some solutions for our health situation.
I was a single mother of 5 children.
I actually wanted more from my life.
I'm a 747 captain with an international airline.
In the next few minutes, we will introduce you to an important opportunity, one that you may have never considered before, but one that could have a great impact on your health, your family, and your future. This incredible opportunity is known as the USANA Difference, for the difference USANA has made in the lives of people around the world, for the way USANA products are different than any others on the market, and for the many factors that differentiate USANA from all other companies out there today. See for yourself how the USANA Difference has changed the lives of people just like you.
Serious medical condition, and it was absolutely imperative that I be able to stay home with them. I didn't know how I was going to support my family at the time, but I wanted to quit living off my credit cards.
I would have been working from 7 in the morning till 6 at night, bringing home box loads of work, and to the point where I didn't even really have any time to do anything else apart from work, and Helen was wondering if I was just married to my job.
We were living in Hong Kong when SARS, the big epidemic, went through Hong Kong in 2003. It wiped the place out in terms of the economy, and my airline shut down. It's actually stopped operating for a week or 2. Pretty nasty business when you see all those airplanes parked against the fence and you think, there's my livelihood right there, stopped. Fortunately, it wasn't permanent. It was a temporary redundancy, but it gave me a big wake-up call and made me realise that somebody else held the cards to my financial destiny.
You know, I think back to when I signed my original USANA application. What interests me is what they didn't ask. They didn't ask about my experience. I didn't have any. They didn't ask if I had any money. No, I was hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. They didn't ask about my schooling. I graduated from high school.
USANA founder and chairman of the board, Dr. Myron Wentz, is a renowned researcher and innovator in cellular health technologies. Dr. Wentz created the Epstein-Barr and mononucleosis testing kits used in hospitals worldwide.
One of the most important discoveries we made in the laboratory in human cell culture was that if we grew human cells with all the essential nutrients in the right form and balance, those cells, the very cells that make up our body, remained healthy and free of degeneration for decades.
After watching his parents and other loved ones die from heart disease, cancer, and other degenerative conditions, Dr. Wentz knew that he needed to change his focus from diagnosing disease to advancing health through cellular nutrition.
People today are living too short and dying too long from degenerative disease. Proper nutrition is the best way to ensure we're living the healthiest lives possible. When our scientists analyzed the top nutritional products, we realized they couldn't keep cells in the laboratory healthy. So how could they keep me healthy? I knew I needed to develop nutritional products that provided the complete spectrum of essential nutrients and antioxidant protection to provide optimal cellular health. That's when the idea of USANA Health Sciences was born.
In 1992, Dr. Wentz founded USANA, and the company quickly grew to become a world leader in the wellness industry. Today, USANA maintains its commitment to ongoing research and development of state-of-the-art nutritionals, as well as personal care products and low glycemic foods. USANA sets itself apart from the industry with its own state-of-the-art product manufacturing facility and by voluntarily meeting pharmaceutical-grade manufacturing standards. USANA also guarantees the potency of its supplements, so you can be confident that what's listed on the label is in the product. It's little wonder that the Comparative Guide to Nutritional Supplements, which compares and rates hundreds of US, Canadian, Australian and New Zealand nutritional supplements using 14 scientific criteria, gave USANA's flagship product, the Essentials, its top ranking. When it comes to the quality and potency of USANA's revolutionary products, experts agree that the USANA difference is clear.
I have been recommending nutritional supplements to my patients for years. I believe because of the polluted environment, their stressful, demanding lifestyles, many just aren't getting the nutrients they need from their diet. Now, I've looked at many of the products personally, and I believe the USANA Nutritionals are absolutely the best, and that's why I'm recommending them to my patients.
Well, I've been in practice in pediatrics over 20 years, and I've certainly seen the effects that poor nutrition, poor lifestyle choices has on our children. And over the years, I've certainly witnessed now, by using USANA products, that positive impact that it's had on my health, my family's health, my friends, and my patients.
What we're seeing today is that the health of children in today's world is worse than it's ever been. We've got more asthma, more eczema, more behavioural problems, teachers having trouble with that in schools, more diabetes, more heart disease, more cancer. Doesn't matter what you look at. All these things can be influenced by really good quality nutrition.
Underlying every USANA product is a commitment to providing our customers with the highest quality, science-based products possible. It's our mission. And to that end, we spend millions of dollars every year on research and development.
Back in 1999, thankfully, USANA came on board as a USB skating sponsor, or else I would have never heard about the products. As an athlete, I'd be an idiot to put anything in my body that I didn't trust. And I trust USANA products. And being in here, in the Olympic arena where it all took place, where I set a world record and won a gold medal, I truly believe that USANA products were a key factor in my performance.
As an Olympic athlete, I wouldn't even consider putting a subpar product into my body. The potency guarantee that USANA offers me gives me the confidence that USANA really is the best.
Backed by visionary leadership, world-class science and life-changing products, USANA is a major player in one of the fastest-growing industries in the world today, health and wellness. Since July 1996, it has been rated among the fastest-growing publicly traded companies on the NASDAQ, and both Forbes and Businessweek have named USANA to their prestigious lists of top companies, citing USANA's solid growth and even brighter future. With people in every part of the world searching for solutions to help them maintain their health, USANA provides an incredible home-based business opportunity. As a USANA associate, you share the company's products and find others to do the same. You are paid commissions based on products sold throughout your organisation, whether they're sold by yourself, by associates you've sponsored, or by associates they've sponsored. The system USANA uses to pay commissions on product sales is rated the best in the network marketing industry. Best of all, rather than trading hours for dollars, this plan allows you to leverage your time by investing in yourself and the efforts of other entrepreneurs.
Well, when I first started with USANA, I was just going flat tack at work, and now we've got the ability that if we just wanted to pack up and go away to Hawaii for a week like we did last week, then we can, and the income continues to flow in.
I can relate to a lot of people who say to me, I just don't have the time to do this, because you know what, I didn't either. But what I found is that I could do it in the nooks and crannies. I could do it around the nap times, around the dinner times. And it was actually quite easy to get to the point that I was paying for my own product.
I really didn't see that it was going to be the financial saviour that it's turning out to be for us. It wasn't until probably 6 to 12 months down track that I suddenly realised what we had in our hand, and I was just so grateful that we'd actually said yes to this opportunity.
When we looked at USANA, it was the people. The people that are involved in this company are from professional backgrounds, they're high integrity, they're positive people, they're go-ahead people, and from all walks of life.
You know, I spent my whole career writing about self-help. I've been traveling and lecturing to network marketing companies and multinational corporations. And I've received a lot of invitations from big network marketing companies to be their spokesperson. I turn them all down. The reason I chose USANA is it's science-based. I really like that. I love the quality of the products because they're the best of the brand, and that's important to me. I like the fact that the management team has integrity and they're experienced. Most of all, too, I love the people. I mean, the people that are attracted to this business have become my best friends. That's why I really think that when you want to build your dreams and build a business, that this is the one.